Okay, so we're gonna demonstrate how to put baby in the car seat safely. First, you are going to want, if you have a carrier, most of them will have this little part here so that you can carry it when you have baby out of the car. But I think it's easier if you kind of close that before you put baby in, because you wanna make sure that you don't bonk their head. And then another good thing to do is just to make sure everything is kind of out of the car seat, that you have these straps kind of out of the way so that when you bring baby in, it's easy to just strap them in. You don't have to move them too much. So you're gonna pick baby up and support their head, and then you're gonna gently place them in the car seat. And then you are going to just use the strap and place it around their arm. And then you can do the other strap too. And then the strap on the bottom, you're gonna wanna make sure you're really careful when you're doing that you're not pinching their legs as they get bigger. Baby's legs get a little more chunky, and you wanna make sure that you're not pinching any part of that skin. And you're gonna use this part too. And just do that equally. And then after that, you're gonna do this top part. With that, you're gonna wanna make sure that whenever you go ahead and do that, you tighten it up. And you want it to be snug on baby, but not so tight that they can't breathe. So a good way to tell is if you can kind of stick your finger under there, that is a way to tell that it's not too tight, but you do want it to be tight enough that their body and their head isn't flopping around in the car seat. Some car seats will have like little kind of pads or straps right here, and those are okay, but you just wanna make sure that they're positioned so that they're supporting baby's neck in the right spot there. And then you're also gonna wanna make sure that this stays up like this whenever you have baby in the car seat, just to be safest for them. And you wanna make sure that when your car seat is in the car, that it is always backward facing. The reason for that is to prevent head or neck injury for baby. If you guys did get in a wreck, it is safest for them to be backward facing for that.